So let's go ahead and duplicate the enemies now again. So the next will be zombie, not zombie, it will be enemy 3 now. Okay, and as you can see, everything is changed by itself, and this enemy will be of the second enemy type. Okay, he will run in standing position. So we can change just the spawn point of this enemy to 6. So let's add the 6 right there. Okay, and if we click on enemy 2, we need to assign the enemy transform right there. Okay, and then on the enemy 3 as well, make sure to add the enemy character transform. Now here is our enemy. Okay, we have added it. First of all, let's change the enemy body to, for example, this red one. So in the inside the enemy 3, let's drag and drop this body, click on prefab, unpack completely. Okay, let's delete the first one. Let's name this as body, remove the animator from there, and in the body let's add a rifle to it. So spine, chest, right shoulder, right arm, right forearm, right hand, and then there is the weapon holder. So go inside weapons. There are, as you can see, many different weapons. This time let's add the, for example, this one. This looks good on it, as you can see. Let me turn off the gizmos, and let's set this correctly. Let's click on prefab, unpack completely, and then open up the enemy 2 body and copy the transform of the enemy 2 arm. Okay, just copy the position. Let me just change it one by one. Okay, so the root position will be that, then the Y position will be that one, then the position Z will be similar to that one. Okay, like that. Then let's change the rotation, then the rotation Y, and then the rotation Z. So right down below, rotation Z, that's it. Now let's delete that, not delete it, unexpand it. Okay, there is the rifle, but it seems a little bit out of shape from the enemy hand, so we need to add it like that. Let's play the game. Let's click on scene. As you can see, it looks good like that. Okay, so let's go inside the game view. Let's see how does it looks in the game view. I think it looks pretty fine, as you can see, but you can move it a little bit like that, or actually a little like that, and then up there. That's it. So now we have 3 enemies. Now let's add the 4th one. So what we can do, we can actually duplicate the enemy 1 now again, and change this to enemy 4. That's it, everything is changed. Let's add the transform of enemy 4. Okay, and guys, we forgot to add the shooting area raycast to these 2 enemies. So click on enemy 2 and then create a empty game object by the name of shooting area raycast. Okay, let's create it in the third enemy as well. Create empty shooting area recast, and then in the fourth one create empty shooting area recast. Now select the second one, add the shooting area recast, select the third one, drag and drop it, fourth one, and drag and drop it. That's it. And actually let's move the shooting area recast of these enemies above. Okay, so what the fish, let's just select our second enemy. There is the shooting area recast, move it like right there and a little bit outside. Then select the third one, there it is, move it a little bit up there. Literally this is such a headache. I am tired of doing this again and again, but this is just for you guys, and I want 5 star for my hard work. Okay, so now let's move it up there and then upside. That's it. So now let's change the body. So delete the body, and actually first of all let's add the next body, and after that we will delete it. Okay, there it is, the next body, prefab, unpack completely. Let's name this body, remove that, delete the body, move it up there. That's it. Now in the body let's add the rifle. So in there, spine, chest, right shoulder, right arm, and now one holder. Let's add this weapon for example. That's it. Prefab, unpack completely. Okay, let's copy the component of this first one. So chest, right shoulder, right arm, right forearm, right hand, weapon holder. There it is. So copy, first of all copy the position, go inside enemy 4 body, and then right here in the German SL paste position. Then let's copy the rotation. So in there let's paste the rotation. That's it. So now we have 4 enemies. Okay, let's change the spawn point of this fourth enemy to, let's just say 3. So let's add the third spawn point there. And now these first two is like that. Let's change the animator of this enemy, okay, to enemy 1 animator, okay, so that it can be different, and it is already enemy 1 because we duplicate the enemy 1. Okay, so now we have 2 enemy in the standing position and 2 in the crouch. So let's play the game. So you will notice that, as you can see, there is the enemy and there is the second one. Okay, they are shooting at me. There are the other enemies, as you can see, so they are shooting. So now guys, you know how to duplicate enemies. Okay, I don't have to tell you now again and again. So with this done, catch you guys in the next one.